Good morning, students. Today now let us continue the chapter linear equation in one variable. This is the last session of the linear equation in one variable. Solution. First solve the following equation. First question, 8x minus 3 by 3x equal to 2. Solution, 8x minus 3 by 3x equal to 2. Cross multiplying 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3x. Divide right hand side panna multiply. 8x minus 3 equal to 2 into 3, 6x. Plus 6x left hand side move panna minus. 8x minus 6x minus 3 right hand side panna plus 3. Therefore 8x minus 6x oda value 2x equal to 3. Therefore x equal to, multiply right hand side divide, therefore x equal to 3 by 2. Second question, solve 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. Solution, 9x by 7 minus 6x equal to 15. Cross multiplying, dividing term right hand side panna multiply 9x equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x. 9x equal to 15 7s are 105 minus 15 6 are 90x. Minus 90 right left hand side move panna plus 9x plus 90x equal to 105. 90x plus 9x oda value 99x equal to 105. Therefore x equal to 105, multiply right hand side the divide. Cancelling the 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, remaining 1, 5 3s are 15. Therefore the value of x equal to 35 by 33. Third question, solve z by z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Cross multiplying 9 into z, 9z equal to 4 into z plus 15. 9z equal to, multiplying 4 in the bracket, 4z plus 4 into 15 oda value 60. 9z minus 4z equal to 60. Left hand side z variable one side, constant term one side. 9z minus 4z equal to 60. 9z minus 4z oda value 5z equal to 60. Therefore z equal to 60, multiply right hand divide, 1 5s are 5, 12 5s are 60. Therefore z equal to 12. The value of z is 12. Fourth question, solve 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Cross multiplying 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. Multiplying 5 in the bracket, minus 2 in the bracket. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12y. 2 6 are 12y. Y one side. Constant term another side. 15y plus 12 left hand side move pannina minus 12y equal to minus 4 plus 20 right hand side move pannina minus 20. 15 minus 12 oda value 3y equal to minus 4 minus 20 oda value minus 24. Therefore y equal to minus 24 by 3. Cancelling 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24, y equal to minus 8. Sixth question, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find the present age. Solution, let the ages of Hari and Harry ratio 5:7. அப்போ இந்த ரேஷியோன்றது தான் ஹரியோட ஏஜ் 5x, ஏஜ் ஆஃப் ஹாரி 7x அப்படின்னு சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். 4 years from now, இப்போத்துலேருந்து 4 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் 4 years from now, adding plus 4 plus 4. 4 years from now, age of Hari 5x plus 4 and age of Harry 7x plus 4. By question, 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. The ratio of the age 3:4. 3:4 or 3/4. Hariyoda age 5x plus 4, Harry 7x plus 4 equal to 3/4. Cross multiplying 4 into 5x plus 4 equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. 21x 20 the greater than value, therefore plus 20 right hand side move panna minus 20x. 16 plus 12 left hand side panna minus 12. 16 minus 12 equal to 21x minus 20x. 16 minus 12 oda value 4. 21x minus 20x oda value x. Therefore the value of x equal to 4. Or இப்படி கூட நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். 20x minus 21x left hand side, 12 minus 16. 20x minus 21x oda value minus x, 12 minus 16 oda value minus 4. Cancelling minus minus on both side, x equal to 4. இப்படி ரைட் பண்ணாலும் ஓகே தான், இப்படி ரைட் பண்ணாலும் ஓகே. Hence the age of Hari 5x. x oda value 4. 5 into 4 20 years. Age of Hari age 20 years. Age of Harry 7x. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Simply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 20 28. 5 4s are 20. 7 4s are 28. The ratio of Hari and Harry 5:7. Simply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 5:7. Seventh question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Solution. Let the numerator of a rational number be x. X and choose பண்ணுறோம். Rational number x by y formula. The numerator of the rational number x. The rational number is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. Numerator oda 8 அதிகம், greater than 8. அப்போ numerator x, denominator oda value x plus 8. Numerator oda 8 அதிகம், therefore x plus 8. Therefore the rational number x by x plus 8. Numerator oda value x, denominator oda value x plus 8. By, according to the question, if the numerator increased by 17, numerator increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, decrease na subtraction, increase na additional, increased by 17 and decreased by 1, x plus 8 minus 1, this ratio number is 3/2. The number obtained 3/2. இதனுடைய answer 3/2. Therefore x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 oda value 7 equal to 3/2. Cross multiplying 2 into x plus 17 equal to 3 into x plus 7. Multiplying 2 into x 2x, 2 into 17 oda value 34. 3 into x 3x, 3 into 7 21. 34 plus 21 left hand side vanda minus 21 equal to 3x plus 2 right hand side move panna minus 2x. 3x is a greater than value, nala plus 2x right hand side vanda minus 2x. 34 minus 21 oda value 13. 3x minus 2x oda value x. Therefore the value of x is 13. Therefore the required rational number x by x plus 8. X by x plus 8. X oda value 13 by 13 plus 8. equal to 13 by 13 plus 8 oda value 21. Therefore, the required rational number 13 by 21.